Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to run Selenium code in VS Code. First, ensure Python is installed and add the Python extension to VS Code. Next, create a new project folder and open it. Then, open your terminal within VS Code and install the Selenium library using the command pip install Selenium. This sets up your environment for automation. Now, let's write some code. Start by importing the WebDriver module from Selenium. Then, initialize your chosen browser driver, like Chrome, which will open a browser window. You can then use commands to navigate to a specific URL and interact with web elements, such as clicking buttons or filling out forms. It's quite straightforward. To run your script, simply open the integrated terminal in VS Code. Navigate to your project directory if you aren't already there. Then, execute your Python file using the command Python your script name. You'll see a browser window launch and perform the actions you've programmed, demonstrating your automation in real time. It's exciting to see it work. For smoother automation, always ensure your browser driver version matches your installed browser. This prevents common errors. Also, employ explicit waits when dealing with dynamic web elements to ensure they are loaded before interaction. Finally, consider organizing your code into functions. This improves readability and makes your scripts easier to maintain and debug. Happy automating!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.